fast that wheel was.
No, I missed that one.
I dropped. It was in like second and a half.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
You shooting my SIG? No, you shooting your non. You shooting your M&P, right?
Piss off, you spark.
Cannot shoot my SIGs
I'm not.
while we're
Piss off, you
competing.
spark.
Jump.
Yeah, that was.
Come on, we ain't got time to clean. Seriously, why are we supposed to be shooting? You're gonna clean up.
I had a nice place to put the camera.
Yeah.
And I just standing straight up on it.
Sounds like bad nerves to me.
I'm nervous. I think he beat you in this one. But we don't know until we try. Now, do
That's not in. Oh, that's
Right.
because that's not in there.
Yeah, that was
Good.
that's the.
Still put it in there,
Yeah.
There they go.
It popped it off.
Kick my ass on you.
Yeah, had to get my win back. Oh yeah, I definitely got my win back.
Oh, you
For
did.
sure.
Yep. I mean,
You're all over the place.
all over.
All right, now, okay. We're gonna keep this target. Now we're gonna switch guns. I'm gonna shoot your gun. You're gonna shoot my gun.
No.
Why? Can't you shoot your gun?
No.
All right. Well, all right. You see where yours is at, right? Listen. So
Okay,
this,
go ahead. Yeah, you can shoot.
So this is the competition. Then everything has to go in here. Anything out of here don't count. Everything at 7 got to be in here. You can do that?
Just put this one on top of
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Are you gonna shoot my gun?
I'm shooting your gun.
All
You can
right.
shoot my gun.
Did you load it already?
And then at the end, to end it, we're both gonna shoot the 4.5, my SIG 4.5, and we're gonna see what happens. All right. This is Illuminati. This one's going off.